If you've been teaching online this year using Google Meet, then you are familiar with this frustration. You have some great content that you want to share with your students, but when you do, so much of your screen is taken up by this screen sharing box. Today, I want to share a tip with you that may alleviate some of that irritation and hopefully allow you to see a few more of your students during class. First, anytime there is a feature like this that you would like Google to be aware of and maybe even change, it's always a good idea to offer some feedback. Google does a great job of listening to the input of teachers and making adjustments based on that feedback. You can do that before joining Google Meet by clicking here. You can do that during a meeting by going to the three dots and choosing to share feedback. If you're using a Google tool, the keyboard shortcut Control minus can affect that tool in different ways. In Google Meet, we minimize that screen sharing box and as a result, get to see larger thumbnail versions of our students, perhaps even adding a few more of them to the tiled view in the process. I hope that helps you. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.